Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. For years, the story of MedTech in Southeast Asia has been a tale of two cities, or rather, two distinct strategies. You have Singapore, the undisputed high-tech hub, a global center for R&D and complex manufacturing. Then you have Thailand, the region's largest exporter of medical devices by value, but with a focus on mid-tech consumables and serving as a critical manufacturing and distribution base. Companies traditionally viewed them as separate entry points, each with its own complex regulatory hurdles managed by Singapore's HSA and Thailand's FDA. This clear separation, however, is beginning to blur thanks to a significant, yet under-the-radar, development from last week. Malaysia and Thailand have officially launched a regulatory reliance pilot program. This is a direct collaboration between Malaysia's Medical Device Authority, the MDA, and Thailand's Food and Drug Administration. On the surface, it's about efficiency. The program allows medtech companies to use their marketing authorization from one country to simplify and accelerate the registration process in the other. This initiative aims to reduce the time and cost associated with redundant technical reviews and dossier submissions. For example, a manufacturer of a Class C diagnostic device that has already passed the rigorous review in Thailand can now expect a much smoother and faster pathway into the Malaysian market, and vice versa. But the real story here is the strategic implication. This isn't just about cutting red tape. It represents a deliberate move towards creating a more unified, powerful economic bloc for medical technology. By harmonizing their regulatory demands, Malaysia and Thailand are making a clear statement. They are building a larger, more attractive, and more accessible single market for medtech innovators. This directly challenges the long-held notion that Singapore is the only strategic entry point for premium devices in the region. This pilot program is a test case. If successful, it could pave the way for a broader ASEAN-wide regulatory passport, fundamentally reshaping market access strategy for the entire region. This move signals a shift from competition to co-opetition, creating a new corridor of opportunity for agile companies. For medtech firms looking to expand, understanding these nuanced regional shifts is critical. Staying ahead of these regulatory collaborations can be a significant competitive advantage. If you want to learn how your company can leverage these emerging pathways in ASEAN, please feel free to email us or visit our website. Contact Pure Global at info@pureglobal.com or visit us at https://